Yes, we lost another one, guys. We lost another brand. And this week's update on the all this bullshit that Amazon has us dealing with, we lost Lego. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about that. And once again, you are going to hear my updated thought of where Amazon is actually going with all this stuff being hard gated, with all this stuff being restricted, with all these brands now being closed to new sales. So I'm going to give you guys the update if you haven't seen it and all that stuff. Before that, before we start, if you don't know me, my name is Mangunza. I release daily videos right there on YouTube to help you with your Amazon business for free. Why am I doing this? I'm doing this because I am developing software for Amazon, such as Arbitrage Stalker, okay, which is a tool helping you do storefront stalking by tracking. Crazy great tool for storefront. I told you guys that I got married Saturday, and so I was going to give you guys a few more gifts, right? If you watched yesterday's video, you know, okay, you have a free key for 3 months of Arbitrage Stalker of the Pro plan, all right? So yes, I'm giving it at the beginning of the video. I have it on my phone, be ready, all right? This is the key. I'm not sure if you can see it. Let me see. You should be able to see it. If you don't see it, that's on you. Let me remove my face. Here we go. All right, here we go. So yeah, that's the, and here we go. We lost the subject. Let me do it this way. Yes, you can see it. You can 100% see it. If you were not able to see it, well, that's too bad for you. So you get a 3 month of the Pro plan. You can track 99 sellers and receive notifications on Discord and on the web app whenever they add a new product, whenever they have replans, all that stuff. Watch my other videos on the subject. You'll figure it out yourself. All right. So yeah, as I said, a lot of people got get into Lego, right? So it's pretty much the same thing as what's happening with Nike from what I've seen online. I'm not gated on Lego, okay? I was ungated a long time ago and I actually never sold any Lego, I believe, and I'm still ungated. It was not restricted for me. It's pretty much the same thing that has happened with Nike where people that are new accounts cannot get ungated, they are restricted. Now, once again, first of all, Lego is a brand that is overrated for online arbitrage. I'm going to tell you straight up. A lot of people are talking about Legos, and from what I understand myself from this brand, actually, there's a few products that were profitable, such as the bonsai. A couple of months ago, they had the bonsai that was good. A few products like this, whenever they are released, are good. The issue, though, is that for most of these products, you are going to make real money with Lego if you buy sets that are about to retire. This is the deal, because you do not find, and I'm not a big toy guy. I'm going to be 100% honest. I'm not a big toy guy. I'm not sourcing a ton of toys, all that stuff. Um, but you know, I've never really come across great Legos product randomly on the website that I source, you know. And the websites where I've been sourcing a few toys here and there are GameStop, that I'm not really sourcing anymore, Kohl's, Macy's from time to time, a few websites like this. And even when I was doing retail arbitrage, to be honest, yes, sometimes you had the occasional great Lego product at Walmart. However, when I was doing retail arbitrage, Walmart was not one of the stores that I was really sourcing. I was not a Walmart clearance guy, okay? Walmart is full of weirdos. I don't even do my groceries at Walmart when I'm in the US. I'm telling you straight up, I hate. You can say I'm bougie. I don't care, okay? Walmarts in Miami are ghetto, except the one in, is it in Coconut Grove or further that way, further south? There's one that is decent, except from that, do not go to Walmart in Miami. It's ghetto. Especially not the one on 79th Street, and you're not going to find anything over there anyways. But whatever. So yeah, we're losing Legos. Legos are restricted for new sellers. So what is this going to tell us? I think that it's still showing us that Amazon is trying and is going to regulate brands and listings a lot, especially with Q4 comings, with all the craziness around Legos. They don't want that. And to be 100% honest, one of my rep one of my rep, one of the rep of one of the account that I was able to open, it was with a toy wholesaler, actually told me this when I was in Vegas, when I was at ASD, right? He told me that he knew some people that had high seats that were important at Amazon, at high level executive, and it's clearly the plan. Okay, it's clearly the plan. And if you've been selling for a little while, you're good. If you're a new seller, things are gonna get harder and harder. So get ready, ungate brands, all that stuff. I've been saying it for a little while. Ungate brands that you know you can make a little bit of money. Before, my advice was to not really ungate anything because stuff is going to open up by itself, all that stuff. If you are new, things are changing. If you are new, things are changing. So ungate the brands that you can, the brands that you think you are going to be able to make a little bit of money. It's going to cost you $50 there, $100 there, $100 there, but it's going to be an investment, a long-term investment in your business. I'm so happy, and one of the great brands that I often talk about is New Balance. I'm so happy that I got ungated in New Balance a long time ago, a couple of years back, around the beginning of me actually selling on Amazon. And I started selling New Balance, reselling New Balance a couple of months ago, actually. A couple of months ago. So, you know, like, I'm glad that I actually did not take my own advice and I actually ungated New Balance, because if I waited, and let's say that I was not selling New Balance right now, if I waited, because right now I'm selling a ton of New Balance, I'm telling you straight up, I'm selling a ton of New Balance. And if I actually listened to my own advice, I would not be making quite, because it's easy money. I'm going to tell you straight up, it's easy money. New Balance is easy money. There's a ton of brands like that that are easy money. And so I'm glad that I actually did not follow my own advice, right? So think about that and get the brands that you can, because Amazon is clearly looking at making things more difficult for new sellers, okay? Because there's too many new sellers fucking up a lot of things. Brands are getting pissed off. Amazon is getting pissed off. Customers are getting pissed off. Amazon's tired of that. So it's the right time right now. Build your advantage, get an account, get grandfathered into things by ungating them before they get restricted. This is going to be a huge advantage, okay? It's going to be a huge advantage for you. Start working on this shit right now, all right? Start working on this shit right now. Keep going. Do not give up. In 5 years, you cannot even believe where you will be in 5 years, all right? So hopefully this video was helpful. If it was, leave a like. Remember, the free key for Arbitrage Stalker, okay, free gift. We have 3 more coming. One of them is going to be a lifetime key. So take advantage of it right now. And it's just one user, it's just for one user, okay? So if you watch this video whenever it releases, be ready. And if you haven't entered the code yet, try it. Try it, and you'll see how it goes, all right? Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day.